It might just be me, but this place feels a bit like a downgrade from the old location of the Scandic Hotel.
Hello, this is Uplifting Post Tower. Welcome to the Scandic Hotel Sundsvall city. No, not that one. That's a Quality Hotel now. Link in the description if you want to check that place out instead. No, we are talking about an even older building right in the city center, which is where this Scandic Hotel has been relocated to. A former ibis hotel. Yes, ibis used to be a thing in Sweden. Has since been converted into a Scandic. And so have the elevators been converted, of course. Yeah. Let's start off the elevator to the right of the reception and then quickly head to the other one.
Fjärde våningen. Huvudingång. Fjärde våningen. Huvudingång.